Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to send dogs from Telegram wallet to Binance. Go to search bar, then just go to wallet here, make sure that you have it, and now you can just go and click on open wallet, and a new notification will come up here. Now from here, once you're here, you have to select dogs, so scroll through your assets and just go and click on more assets here. Now you will get this option of dogs. Now just go and click on dogs here and tap on the send icon. So here this is a send icon, so your balance is empty, so you have to add a balance. Now you will get an option to would you like to buy some dogs, so here you can just go and click on OK. Now once you have some balance, you can just go and click on send, right? In the send option here, now you have to just go to the Binance app, so make sure you open your Binance app here, navigate to the wallet which is on the top right side corner once you log in into this, and you have to select search for dogs and select it, choose the ton network for the transfer, crypto, copy both the dog deposit address then memo, as both are required for the transaction. Now enter amount, specify the amount of dogs you wish to send. You can use the max option if you want to transfer it all. Paste the memo you copied from Binance into your appropriate field in Telegram, and once it's done, confirm the transaction. Now you can check your deposit status. In just few minutes it will receive it. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.